Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will make crispy, crunchy and tasty aloo tikki. You can eat it by adding it into a burger or making a aloo tikki chaat. Before watching the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. First of all, take a pan and add 1 spoon of oil in it. We will put in this 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, and 3 to 4 finely chopped green chilies. Along with this, we will add 1½ spoon of red chili flakes. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, and we will fry these spices well. Now we will add a big cup of boiled peas and sweet corn in it. We have to mix them and mash them. Once they are mixed and mashed well, we will leave it to cool. Now we will take 3 boiled potatoes and mash or grate them. We have to boil the potatoes in less water in the pressure cooker, otherwise they will be overcooked and become sticky. The potatoes have been grated well here. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to it. After this, we will add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, salt as per taste and finely chopped coriander. Now we will add fried peas and sweet corn to it and mix all this well. Here you can see that it is mixed well. Now we will make round shaped tikkis from it. To prevent the potatoes from sticking to our hand, we will apply some oil on both our palms and then make round tikki out of it. You can see how easy it is to make this tikki. So here our tikki is ready. We will keep this in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours so that they set properly. Now we will prepare the batter by adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt and water in a small bowl. Be careful not to make the batter too thick. Keep the batter medium thin, as you can see here. Now we will first dip the potato tikkis in this batter with the help of fork. Coat the tikkis well in this batter from both sides. After the tikki is properly coated, we will now add these tikkis to the breadcrumbs. Here, instead of doing that with our hands, we will coat this tikki with breadcrumbs while stirring the breadcrumbs so that it doesn't break. So you can see that it has been coated well from all sides. Similarly, dip all the tikkis in the batter and coat them with breadcrumbs. Now we will deep fry them properly from both the sides on a medium to low flame. Be careful that the flame of the stove should not be too slow, otherwise this tikki will break. And don't keep the flame too high, otherwise it will burn. So, here our crispy, crunchy and tasty aloo tikki is ready. You can also keep it frozen so that next time you feel like eating a burger, this ready to use aloo tikki will be very useful. If you like the recipe, then you must try it and tell us by commenting how your aloo tikki was.